All right, so I get this question all the time. Do you believe in intermittent fasting? My simple answer is no, and I'll tell you why. But let me tell you first that I do believe that there are benefits to intermittent fasting. The problem is that people don't do it for the right reasons or the right way. I've done plenty of research, I've dug deep, I've experimented on myself. And one of the other issues is that people love labels. So there's Atkins and paleo and keto and now intermittent fasting. And people think that just because they have a label, they're doing something good for their health. So you forget to eat? I'm intermittent fasting. You don't feel like eating? I'm intermittent fasting. And there's so many benefits to eating smaller meals throughout the day. Like you can increase your metabolism and put your body in a fat burning stage. You can increase your energy. You can improve your digestion. So there's plenty of reasons to eat, and there are also good reasons to try intermittent fasting, but you can actually do more damage than good if you don't prepare your body properly before or after. So I suggest doing proper research before jumping in.